Hi, welcome to the course Modeling of Digital Service. In this quick tutorial, I will walk you through how to create your free Jira account for your team's project. First of all, head over to atlassian.com/software and click on Jira software. Learn more, for example. From here, you can click on Get It Free. Now, this Jira Atlassian have a free account for teams that have less than 10 or up to 10 members or team members. So you don't have to pay anything. And from here, you can select the product for your project. So in this case, it's Jira Service Management. If you need Confluence, you can add that one because Confluence also for your documentation. So you can just select. Now both are selected. Click Next. The next thing is to log in. You can use your email. So in this case, I'll try to use my Gmail account. And then I'm being asked, okay, yes and no, I don't need any new, so create account. Okay, just a few minutes and we should be done. Good, and now I'm being asked to add the name, so I can put modeling of digital service, MDS. Okay, name is taken. Maybe I can just make it MD, and here I can make service, MD service, and that is not taken, so I can then continue from here. Okay, of course, it's your first time, so you'll be asked to do so. Yeah, software development, web developer, and then few things ongoing. We just have to wait for a second, loading the two software. So the site is being generated now. Okay, good. From here, of course, tools that we'll be using, maybe Teams and Slack, possibly. And of course, you can add them later if you have others that you didn't add at this point. And then you can again right away invite your team members and continue. You'll be asked to, okay, I have experience with it, but my team might be new. Yeah, I'm building new features. I'm tight, so I'm working with time. And based on that, Scrum is recommended, and I can just go ahead and select that one. And then it's asking me about what project. So first project is modeling of digital service, and that is MDX, for example. And then I can continue and say, okay, sync work from other two so your team can easily. Okay, let's try to check that one and then see if there is anything that we can sync there. Where Confluence will be synced, that's fine. If you add other tools, then you can add, but for now, that should be okay. And then click. So, yep, now we can immediately go to our project. At this point, it's giving us the default workflow that Jira has, which is to do, in progress, done. Every team needs to check if that works for them. If not, then you need to define your own workflow. For now, this is where we'll end. In our next video, we will come back and configure the board to suit our workflow the way we want it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.